Namaste. I'm Dr. Satyalakshmi, Director, National Institute of Naturopathy, and also CEO, Naturopathy Registration Board. Naturopathy Registration Board, working under Ministry of Ayush through the aegis of National Institute of Naturopathy, is now available to all qualified BNYS graduates to register themselves under this Naturopathy Registration Board. This gives a uniform certification which will allow them to practice naturopathy across the country. Friends, those who have already registered with the CCRON in the past may also redo it so that there is a parity with the certification that is given currently. And please log on to the website for the method in which you need to upload your certificates in order to get a new registration number. And this registration is valid for 5 years. And Naturopathy Registration Board is also undertaking a stupendous task of collecting a lot of information about naturopathy practice in this country. To start with, please collect and share data regarding naturopathy luminaries. The people who have been practicing naturopathy in their own way in different parts of the country, who may not be recognized elsewhere, but in that particular locality and community, if they have done or doing immense service through naturopathy modalities, please collect their details and then share it with the Naturopathy Registration Board as it is starting to collect this information.